guys, welcome back to the channel. A while ago I went hiking, actually about a year ago to be exact, and I purchased a cheap eBay mat off eBay, one of the inflatable ones, and I won't tell you what happened. I did a freezer test on that one. Go and check that video out if you want to see whether or not to purchase a cheap eBay mat. Now I may give it away a little bit. Today I have purchased a new mat to do a review on. It's a Cedar Summit. It's the Camp Mat SI self-inflating mat. Now, it has Delta Core V technology, which means that it's got holes cut in different places where your body is not, to cut down on the weight and keep your body warm. You can see there the heat map of the mat. Now, the reason that I've gone with this mat, one, the price was pretty good. I got it from MacPack in Newcastle, and recommended retail it was $119 at the store. I'm a member of MacPack in New South Wales, in Newcastle, so I got a bit of a discount off that. Wasn't massive, but every bit helps. Now, on the front here it says durable and comfortable all-rounder graduated pattern of vertical cores to keep body and contact areas warmer. So I was looking, you can get this mat in regular, large, RW, which I'm not sure what that one is, the regular rectangular I think, and a large rectangle. Now I have gone for the regular with the cut in at the feet. Now I wanted to do that to cut down on my weight. I actually tried the large, and if you've got really wide shoulders, when I lay on it, it actually came out to here on either side. It was really, really good and comfortable. But it weighed in at about 1.2 kilos, and I went, you know what, I'm going to take this one, which weighs in at 780 grams. Now, I'm trying to cut down my weight when I go hiking and stay warm. Now, speaking of staying warm, my inflatable mat that I bought on eBay didn't really have an R rating. It said it did, but I don't actually believe that it was a real rating. Now this one has an R value of 4.2, which should help to keep me warm when I'm camping in winter, which is when I do most of my hiking, kind of ironically. Its thickness is 3.8 centimeters or 1.2 inches. And it also comes with the pillow lock system. So let's get in, let's open this one up. I'm pretty excited to open it up. Seems to be locked in there somehow. Not sure what this is. Oh, look at that. That's pretty clever. It's got the little handle there and the little clippies that come out. They fold out, and that's very clever. Now, what I thought I would mention somewhere on here, it cuts down the bulk, self-inflating mat. Somewhere it talks about that this Cedar Summit is part of the group that is doing stuff sustainably. I can't find where that is. I did read it somewhere. I'll see if I can find that later on. So there we have it. Comes in its little stuff sack, which is pretty cool. Little tightening thing there. I believe I may need to untie this rope before I can open it. Okay, that's all tied up pretty well to keep it out of... There we go. Okay, that's interesting. So that one goes down there. Don't know why they've done that. Okay. But there we go. We'll open it up. Whoop! Stuff's falling out on me everywhere. I'll just duck down and grab that. So what we have, let's have a look here. We have a packet with a bit of glue and a patch, very handy. My other mat, actually, that I've been using for years, got a hole in it. I didn't have any glue. Actually found 3 holes. I got some glue and tried to glue it up, but I could not get it to seal. So yeah, little patch there with some glue. Cedar Summit mat with the instructions. and the pillow lock system there that you put on. So I won't be using the pillow lock system. It's the series of pads there. Shows you what to do with it there. The lock for if you're using a pillow with this. Anyway, let's get this open because that's what you all want to see. So, comes beautifully rolled up. Probably never going to be rolled up that good ever again. We'll see how I go. Now, you can see there that it is the narrower version, and at the bottom here, the feet are narrower. So I did that. I've got this one to keep my weight low. The other thing I really like about this mat is that it has this valve system. So you can open it up like that, and it has the little orange clip inside. You can pull that out for self-inflating. Now, because it's been rolled up, it will take a while to to inflate. So you can pull it out completely so that the air can get into it a lot faster. Now, what you can do is when you're rolling this mat up, is you can twist that over so that the valve works the opposite way, and it clips back in like that, so that when you squeeze it, the air comes out and the air doesn't come back in. Makes it a whole lot easier to roll up your mat. It's one of the features that I really liked. But we'll let that inflate, sit there for a while, and we'll do you a shot of that. Oh. So down here, sleep systems, improved sleep, increased performance. And it comes with a whole heap of other information there about all their sleeping bags and all their other mats. Now, as I said, I went with the self-inflating mat, which has the foam core inside it. Personal preference, I tend not to like the blow-up mats. I feel like I'm sleeping perched up on a lilo that's I'm going to roll off, I move around a lot when I sleep. So they tend to make a lot of noise, and I don't like it very much. So there you have it. The mat, I quite like the colour. That's where you glue on your pillow locks, your pillow lock system. I won't be using that. So I'm going to leave this now sit for a while. Because it's been packed for so long, the foam does need to expand. Not a good idea to blow into it, because you blow bacteria into your foam inside, and it can grow in there and become manky and yucky and disgusting. So we'll leave that for a bit, and I'll come back and show you what it's like once it is full of air. Okay, welcome back. That was a very quick couple of hours for you guys. Bit longer for me. Now, while I was waiting, I actually had a bit of a chance to flick through the instructions. And a couple of things that it says here that's really important, and it's the same with most of your self-inflating mats. When you inflate it, as I've just done and shown you, you need to leave it sit for a couple of hours, because the foam has been compressed really tight from the factory. It needs, and a long time, it needs a bit of time just to expand itself and fill itself up. Now, it says here that when it's been fully inflated, you need to close it, and it recommends leaving the mattress fully inflated for 24 hours. The longer the better. So pretty much I'm going to leave mine up until I go hiking in a couple of weekends' time, at which point you will get to see a video review on this mat, how it went on the camp, if I liked it. Now, here it is, fully inflated, so you can see it's as tall as I am, and you can actually see, you may be able to see it on camera, you can see the little triangles that have been taken out. They're bigger here and down around here, but then small where your feet are, to keep the warmth in. So yeah, Cedar Summit, really, really good company. I have a Cedar Summit sleeping bag, absolutely love it. So yeah, really good company. I'll do you a shot of me lying on it down on the ground, just so you can see. Hope you've liked this unboxing and checking out of the product. Keep your eyes open, check out my other video coming up on the review of this mat when I go hiking in a couple of weeks, and I may even do the freezer test with this one as well, so look out for that. So here we are, down on the floor with the mat. Oh. Now, as you can see, I fit the mat quite comfortably, enough to hike with. It's going to keep me warm. Now, the wide one, the large, actually came out to about here. So it came out a lot wider, down like that, which meant that I would have been lying in it in the middle of the mat here. I'll go to the other side. I had about that much room on the side, but I've gone with this one, slightly cheaper, cut down, lighter, smaller version, nice and lightweight, hopefully nice and warm. Like I said, check out the video coming up, the review on this mat. Hope you've enjoyed my video today, guys. See you around on YouTube. Have fun camping.